Hey guys, it's Tina, and I am here with my mom, Mrs. Park, and we have some delicious Korean pancakes that we are going to show you how to make. And it's called Korean Kimchi Nokdujeon. Did I say that correctly?
Yeah.
And it's one of my favorite Korean recipes that my mom has always made since I was a kid. And you know, the ingredients are pretty simple. For the base, we're not using any sort of flour. We're using peeled mung beans, which we're soaking in water for a few hours, blending it, and then adding kimchi and green onions. And so we're gonna make the base, put it in the frying pan, and then, yeah, we'll be showing you how to make a whole platter of these. So enjoy.
To start, we're going to soak about 2 cups of these mung beans for a few hours before they go into the blender. The great thing about this recipe is that it's super simple and only requires a few ingredients. We have 1 cup of kimchi, 2 eggs, 2 cups of mung beans soaked in water, and green onions. After soaking the mung beans, drain the water and blend into a mixture. The consistency should be slightly gritty and not too watery. Next up, we're going to chop up our green onions and kimchi and add them to the mixture. Add your eggs and a little bit of salt and combine all the ingredients together. Once everything is combined, you're ready to start frying. Add some oil to a pan on medium-high heat and add a spoonful of the mixture. These will take a few minutes on each side to cook. These kimchi nokdujeon are also called Bindaetteok. My mom's recipe is vegetarian, but you can also add other ingredients like ground pork to make these extra savory. Her family would often eat these as pancakes or sides with their main dishes. When I was younger, I always loved sneaking into the kitchen while my mom made these and eat them while they're hot off the pan. Looks like not much has changed.
How are they, Dad?
This is so delicious. So delicious enough to make cat speak.
Alright, so I've made a whole platter of kimchi nokdujeon, and I can't wait to start eating them. I've already snuck in a few. Thank you guys so much for joining us. If you guys are making this recipe, please let us know. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And we're excited to see you guys make this. Thanks for joining. Bye, guys.
Bye.